existed at the historic site for more than 200 years. Joseph Wharton revised the current mill in 1882, replacing the water-powered equipment with a turbine-driven circular saw that is still in use today. The mill cut lumber and shingles that were carted to nearby Elwood, and shipped by rail all over the east. By 1884, the lumber business proved highly profitable to Wharton as sales reached nearly $10,000.
Yeah, when we venture back this way.
Kirby's no, man, that place is wild inside.
Kirby's.
Kirby was in there too.
Who's Kirby?
This little pink guy that eats people.
The video game?